already approaching from the left side. 4 aircraft, they will present you 4 simultaneous looping. Flying one looping is not extremely difficult, but with 4 simultaneous looping like this, it becomes quite demanding. So all pilots have to pull the stick with the same force, fly at the same speed and at the same angle to make it look even and precise. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We continue from the left side with our soloist. He will demonstrate you the maneuverability of the PC-7 aircraft. The PC-7 is equipped with a Pratt Whitney turbine which delivers 550 horsepower, has a maximum weight of 1,900 kilograms. This is equal to a medium class